Hello friends, today we will draw a holy composition. At first we will draw a circle, then we will draw a letter, it's look like a L, then two lines. Okay. After that, so friends, here we will draw a girl is playing holy. So at first we will draw a circle, then we will draw a letter L, then we will draw two standing lines, then we will draw her body. It's look like this. Okay, so this is the basic steps. Okay, so at first we have to complete these basic steps properly. After that, what we will do? We will do her skirt. See her skirt. It's look like a tub. You can say inverted glass or tub. Okay. So at first we have to complete her basic structure properly. After that we'll go to her legs. Okay, see, okay friends, see now what we'll do. Now we can complete her legs properly. See, now friends, see, now we can complete her hands. Now see, just we'll do a letter. It's look like E. If I draw a slipping line here, then it's look like a E. Okay, then we can draw a letter L. It's look like a L. Is it? Not now. Now see, now we'll draw two lines again. Okay, then just we'll complete her left hand properly. It's look, see, here also you will draw a letter. It's look like an U. So friends, see, this is our friends, see, now we can draw the boy. So at first we have to complete the girl properly. After that we can start a boy. When you draw the boy, here also you have to draw a circle. We'll draw a circle from here, then we'll draw an inverted L. Okay, then we'll draw an U from here. It's look like an U. Okay, see, this is a U. Then just we'll draw a letter. It's look like L. Just we have to increase this line, then we will draw a letter L. Okay, U, then L. Then again we will draw another L from here to there. Clear? Now friends, see, now again we will draw another L from here to there. Okay, After that, just we can add this line in this way. Just we have completed, just we have drawn the pant. Okay, now what we will do, now we can draw a line from here. Okay, after that we can draw again another L. It look like L. Okay, then we'll draw another L from here. Okay, again we'll draw another L from here. Okay, so friends, just we'll draw here two slanting lines, one slanting line from here to there, another slanting line from here to there. Okay, just we have done his legs. Okay, so they are playing Holi. So in this way we have to complete, in this way we have to complete whole figure. So friends, see, we have done the boy. Now we can complete his hands. So at first we have to complete this figure properly. Here we can complete her hair properly. Okay, so they are playing Holi. Now friends, see how they're playing. Just you have to draw this structure properly. Again we'll draw another L from here to there, inverted L. Then we'll complete her, not her, his hand. Okay, so friends, see, in this way they are playing. Also we can draw some water pot. They are using some bowls. Okay, so friends, see, this is the basic structure. So at first we have to complete the basic structure properly. After that we can do more detailing. So friends, I'm sure that if you follow this process, so you can complete this composition properly. And this is the basic steps. And if you want, you can write something here, Happy Holi. So friends, see, here also we can draw, we can write Happy Holi. See, here I am writing Happy Holi. So friends, see, in this way we have to complete whole drawing. Also here we can we can draw a shape, love shape. Now we can so friends, now our structure almost completed. Okay, so friends, see, now we have to complete the whole structure, or we can do more detailing. So in this way, just we have to complete the basic structure. Here also we can draw some series. Okay, so at first we have to complete the basic structure. So if you draw the basic structure properly, then you can complete the whole structure. So friends, see, now we have to complete the whole drawing. So in this way we will complete whole drawing. So at first we have to complete the basic structure. After that we can go to the main drawing. So friends, see, our drawing almost completed, is it? So friends, now I want to say something about this drawing. So friends, at first I told you that at first you have to complete the drawing properly. After starting the color, just you have to check out your drawing, then you can start the color. So I'll show the color next video. So at first you have to complete the drawing. After completing the drawing, just you'll check out your drawing, then we can start the color. And I want to say a message to all of you that now if you are learning drawing and painting, it's better. If you are not learning drawing and painting, or you want to learn drawing and painting properly, then please you can contact with us. We are taking online and offline both classes. Okay, so students are learning online and offline both classes from us. So I also request you that if you want to learn drawing and painting, please contact with us. Okay, all of you, bye.